The creative economy is booming, and the best part is that you can work from home, set your own hours, and have a lot of fun, and make some extra cash too. So today I want to share with you, I believe it's seven ways to work from home as an artist and make some extra cash, okay? The first way is microstock, and I have to admit something. Lately, I've been pretty addicted to this stuff. Basically, what you're doing is you're uploading photos, videos, illustrations, audio files to platforms, and if somebody uses it, you get paid. And the cool thing is it's very passive. So you upload it once, say even a year from now, if somebody uses it, you still get paid. And it's a lot of fun. It's so much fun. Now, the bad news is it could take some time. You probably have to upload a lot of photos as well, but it pairs great with other things. Like I do blogging, so a lot of the photos I upload I also use for my blog and save cash, so I get paid both ways. But you could do the same thing as an artist, as an illustrator as well. So that's one way. The next one is a freelance illustrator. This is like taking microstock to a higher level, and what's really cool is you could possibly do both. The difference is that you're kind of creating custom content for people, like bloggers and books and marketing and games. And yeah, the advantage is you're free to set your own hours, you work from home, you can keep more of the money, and you can accept or reject projects. But the disadvantage is you do spend a lot of time marketing. It is kind of feast or famine. And working from home, I think is amazing, but some people don't like it. I have no complaints. No commute. Save money on gas. Don't have to deal with crazy coworkers. Well, some of them I miss, but anyways. But there's also some hidden costs. All right. The next one is digital asset creator. You're selling, textures, templates online, and other things. I actually took a few classes on this, and I have so many projects going on that I haven't got into them, but some of them look really, really cool. And I'll give you one example. One was about CapCut to make video editing clips. Then you would list the clips, and then you would earn money if people use that in their videos. And it was pretty interesting. There's a class, I took it. There's another class I took about making templates and listing them on eBay or Etsy. And they all can work. They all, if you put your time into it and work into it, they do take some elbow grease to make. But there's a lot of ideas for these templates, like social media templates, icons and computer graphics, and they pair great with microstock. Video templates, software, textures. But here's the bad news is you have to love the software that you use to create these assets. And it is truly passive income. Super low overhead, scales great, it's in demand, but there's definitely some competition, and some platforms, they do take a lot of the money to list it as well. All right, but there is a place where you can actually keep there's some ideas on how you can keep more of the money as well. Okay, next up is a concept artist, and this is a great Giphy here. Look at this dog. He's licking the figure. Basically, what you're doing is you're kind of turning ideas from a script or a game into visual blueprints. Okay, so you definitely should understand the software that you're using and art fundamentals, good knowledge of pop culture to draw from. And so the pros is there's a lot of creative freedom. You can work anywhere, and it can branch into other freelancing work. The cons is job instability, competition, and lots of pressure to produce very high quality work quickly on a tiny budget. But you can make some really good cash, as you can see on the screen here. All right. Okay. Next up is print on design designers to earn royalties selling art or merchandise, and this is kind of like when somebody uses that, you actually get paid, and actually works great with microstock as well, so you can combine these. So a lot of these you can combine, and that's really cool. And you definitely should know some knowledge about the software you're using to create the art, tons of patience, and you definitely need to know some SEO. And that's the same thing with microstock as well. And to be honest with you, I think AI helps a lot with this, because if nobody finds the art, it doesn't really matter how good it is. So I use, what I've done with Microstock is I'll have AI help me with the tags and titles and all that kind of crap so people could find it. And on a side note, I heard the same thing. It's the same thing if you want to get into Amazon direct publishing, like write ebooks. It's all SEO. You have to make sure that it gets found. Otherwise, it doesn't really matter what you create. Okay. But yeah, I mean, it's a low barrier entry, passive income, but again, the cons is a lot of these platforms, they take a majority of the income, and there's definitely some competition as well. So anyways, I think the thing with Microstock is we're kind of at the mercy of these platforms, and that's why I think it's a really good idea if you want to make money online, if you're serious about that, is to first find one avenue and just stick with it and make some cash, but then you want to diversify as well. Okay, I think it's just a great idea, because I'll give you some stories real quick. I've been in the affiliate market for like 15 years now, and I remember, obviously the whole scene has changed, but all the bloggers, they started, the updates started coming, the panda updates, the squirrel updates, everything like that. So it was nice to kind of do YouTube as well as blogging, as well as a little bit of this and a little bit of that. So I think email is great. I mean, whew. So I think if you branch out there and diversify, I think it's really good as well. I'll give you one more quick story too. I used to have a really big Reddit group, a subreddit group, right? I thought it was great. And I had multiple accounts just to make sure if one account was lost, I would not lose the subreddit. I took one day off on Sunday, right? I came back and somebody from corporate banned that puppy. Boom, it was gone. Kind of sad though, but the moral of the story is, you want to, if you're an artist, right, or if you do blogging, I own this website, so nobody can take it away from me, as well as I do stuff with email. So that helps a lot. You can play with other sandboxes, but you want to come back to your home because of security. I kind of do a little bit of both, and I think that's a very good idea going forward. Okay, so I hope that makes sense. So if you're an artist, so do Microstock as well, but also wouldn't hurt you to have a website and put your work on your website as well. That way, because it's yours, it's a great feeling. All right, yeah, online art tutor, right? Yeah, this pairs great with so many other ideas, and then you can get paid for sharing your knowledge of what you've been doing. Okay, and the last one is affiliate marketer. You might be thinking, well, that's not really artistic. Well, it is. There's a lot of flexibility, a lot of freedom. You can do it anytime, around your schedule, have lots of fun, and there's lots of different business models to choose from, okay? And yeah, you could definitely be creative. With blogging, I mean, look what this blog is. It's basically combining a lot of different things, which is creative, and then putting it out there as well. And you can make some pretty good cash as well, and it's a lot of fun. So I really just scratched the surface. If you are interested in other ways to make money from home, like, gigs, my brain's just not working today, side hustles, things that are legit. I actually created a video that gives you 10 steps to find a really good work from home job that's good, okay? And I'll put that link somewhere up here, and I'll put it down in the description as well. You can click on it, you can check it out. Hopefully it's helpful. And you have a wonderful rest of your day. Okay, bye.